morning, boys and girls, friends, enemies, those who aren't sure. How the devil are you? Quite a week. Before I ride, I always look around the bike. Always do, always have. Comes from in the army, having to check everything on a vehicle before you drove it. Anyway, noticed an age fracture in the front tyre, in the treads. Only a minor one, but I searched the whole tread and found a couple of other small ones. Very small, but it sort of accelerated my need to think about tyres. And so found a tyre warehouse, lovely old Volvo. Ordered a set of Taurans, Metzlers. I like them, I've had them on the other bike, no problem with them. Reasonably high mileage compared to some of the tyres. Very, very light off-road ability, but good road ability. And I'm currently scrubbing them in. Amidst doing bits, I must admit. But there's a sting in the tail. Tyres arrived, got notification as you do, email, thank you for your order, blah blah. Duty arrived, popped down to a local dealership, got them swapped. No problems. 2 days later this morning, I receive an email telling me my new tyres are on the way, in the same place. Let's see, 2 for 1, is it? Now, this is the glitch. When they find out it's a duplicated order, they'll want them back. And then want me somehow to put them on the back of the motorbike and deliver them to some collection point. Ain't gonna happen. Big buggers. They won't strap on this. I'm not going to fiddle about. So, duly last night sent email. Please cancel this order, and I also sent one to the couriers. Please don't deliver this. Oh, we'll wait and see. If they get delivered, I'll keep the buggers. Done my bit, due diligence, email confirmations, and you couldn't make it up, could you? You either don't get what you order, or you get a, oh god, it's Saturday, isn't it? We've got all the MILFs out. Yeah. Never mind. The other thing, ULEZ. For our foreign friends who don't understand, it's ultra low emission zone, mainly around London and a couple of other major cities, where you have to pay, I don't know, it's off the top of my head here, £12–15 or something a day to drive if your vehicle is not compliant with emissions. So I thought, ain't having that. I don't go to London very often, but I'm damned if I'm paying to go. Oh, you. Oh, there'll be a collection of cars behind the bike and a clapped out old van. Not really enjoying this. Are you going to go, sir? That bloody last. Sorry, minor frustration, minor loss of track there. Yes, So I did some research and I found it, a little clip on YouTube where a guy on a similar bike, similar age, had got compliance. So, following said man's advice, I applied to BMW for a certificate. Lo and behold, about 3 weeks later, it came back. Now, for ULEZ, your vehicle must have an emission of nitrous oxide or NOx of 1 gram or less, which rules out most old vehicles. But when these were produced, they were designed and manufactured at 0.03 NOx, well below. So anyway, certificate arrived from BMW, send it up to the Mayor, Genghis Khan, I mean Mr. Khan of London, Transport for London. Got a letter back, not good enough, need logbook. So I sent, or registration document, depending on where you're from. So I photocopied registration document, the 2 main pages, returned it. About 3 weeks later, not good enough, we need all 4 pages. This is pathetic. The front page of the registration document doesn't really say much, and the back page is blank. Yeah, blank. Similar to the people operating this system, I suspect. Anyway, photocopied all 4 sides, including the blank page. Forwarded them again with another copy of the certificate. 4 weeks now. Lo and behold, yesterday I got an email. My vehicle and I are now ULEZ compliant. Ha 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 ha. It doesn't mean much, but as it's been extended to the M25, and there are a couple of places inside the M25 I go, it is important for me. It's £12.50 a day just to use the road, on top of vehicle registration duty or road tax. It's just a little bit beyond a joke. Remember, I'm scrubbing these bloody tyres in. And not go here and scare them. I'm a bit good at that. Oh, come on, it wasn't that tight. And occasionally, as is my wont, if I'm going to see a friend of mine the other side of London, occasionally, if it's an evening, I'll go through London. It's quite a pleasant ride. It's enjoyable seeing all the old buildings and the modern ones, obviously. And it breaks the journey up. So I'm a happy bunny. So, new tyres and compliant with Transport for London ULEZ zones. I'm suspecting it will also apply to other zones, should I have the need to go to one of the other cities that have introduced it. Now, at the top of my head, I'm probably totally wrong. I think Birmingham, Bristol, possibly Manchester. Not places I often go. But Murphy's Law states that if you haven't got compliance, you'll have a reason to bloody well go. Which is all a bit. Just going to have a look at the old reservoir this morning. I haven't been up the wall and looked at it for a while. You still feel the knobbles on them. Anyway, that was it for the day, chaps, chapesses, friends, enemies. You know the rules. Smile at miserable people. Stay happy. And have a cup of tea and a chocky biscuit. I'll catch you again later. Bye.